Oh yeah.
A little high, but it's got a little.
Dude, I love your place, man. I would live here.
Water, but it'll work.
We're here at my friend's house. That's Grant right there. Say hi, Grant. Look at their view, man, dude. He's right there, right here. We can cast over here, and fish for whatever fish is in there. And this is Cyrus, man. Dude, we're gonna fish over there. We're gonna catch spotty. You call that spotty, right? Spot bay bass. I never caught those, so this is gonna be a first, another new species for me. So let's go.
Should be fun.
Yeah, let's get it. There's halibut here too, huh?
Yep. Shark, halibut.
All right, right here. This is it? This is where we're gonna fish?
This is it, man.
Oh, dude, let's go. That's his place right there. Using this Calissa, guys, Calissa. Do they bite on this thing too? Maybe.
Until you throw it.
Maybe. We'll see. All right, let me cast it here. First cast, guys. I'm gonna cast it over here. Watch out. Woo. What else do we catch here? That's it.
Some sun.
Sun? You caught a fish here before? Really? Okay. Doesn't look like it. Do I have a zoom bait? Let me see. Let me check my tackle here. Nope, I do not have a swim bait here. I only got the surf stuff here. I don't have anything. Oh crap. I guess we're gonna have to stay with Calissa. See this. Don't fall here. Do you have a swim bait there? They're in the bottom? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna catch them.
Yeah, they'll come up, but I don't think they're up yet.
I'm gonna have to switch. I'm not gonna catch anything with this. I'm gonna look at his tackle. Let's see what we can get here.
You know what? Try this until we get new ones.
Pink. There's a jig head and a pink plastic, which all beat up. Looks like this lure right here already caught like 20,000 fish. look how beat up this is. Let's go. Whoo, look at that. Let it sink on the bottom. There. Or on the bottom. I'm gonna have to jig it. Jig. Slow retrieve. Dude, your lure swims sideways. Look.
Yeah. Sideways.
Sideways. Look. Man, this lure is.
Hey.
Oh, fish on. No way. You got a fish. Got a fish. Oh, look at that. That's big. Nope. That's big, actually. Hey, give me that lure. No. I saw you have another one there. I don't feel this lure. This is all looks. It's a sideways lure. I can't. I'm scared of falling here. I don't know. All right, look here, guys. We got a spotty right here. Yeah. Woo!
Good size.
Look at that. Good size. What's the biggest? That's big, right?
That's a good size. That's a good
Yeah.
fight.
Okay, my turn. I catch one. I catch one with this sideways lure. Dang it. Ay. All right, my turn. Yeah, I'm gonna switch it up to spinnerbait. Seems like that's where they bite on. There you go. That more likely to catch a fish. What is the weight? Probably like quarter ounce jig head, and with a spinner and a plastic
Cool bait.
cool bait. You call that cool bait? Alrighty. Oh yeah, we're gonna catch one now, guys. Bay bass. Let's catch him. Ay, ay, ay. I think that's the only fish here.
He came and he saw you. Oh, there's more than fishing here.
You have a chartreuse collar swim bait?
I got a white.
White is good. Yeah, white is good. Okay, I think this one will do. I think I have more confidence with this.
Yeah?
Yep. Oh, it smells.
Oh man, I'd eat that.
Oh, look at that. Looks beauty.
I'd eat.
Guys, look at that presentation. Oh my gosh. If I'm in the water diving, I see this pass by me, I'll bite it. So this is, you can't resist this lure, man. We'll see this. See, look, I'll give this 5 casts and I'll catch 6 fish.
Oh, wow.
All right, here we go, fishy. Let's catch them. Whoo, look at that cast. I'll let it sink on the bottom and then work it out all the way here. Stay down the bottom. Slow retrieve. Where's the fish? Where's the fish? We're gonna set up a drop shot so we can drag our lure at the bottom. So here, sinker, put the drop shot like about a foot. All right, let's go. We'll switch up to the white grub right here and then we'll try this. Yeah. Oh, fish on. Yep, finally. Let's go. Oh yeah. Fish on. Let's go. Oh, I lost it. No way. What? Oh, my drag is so loose. I didn't set the drag. What? Oh, look. No. All right. Finally, we're getting bites and we're getting some fish. Hopefully this one will catch one. I got this one right here, guys. I used to use this on trailer for my bucktail jig, but I'm gonna use it here. Yep, it's kind of long though. You know, let me cut it. There you go. I think that's better presentation. Oh, that's like 20 miles away. Let's go. We're gonna catch one, right? Watch this, guys. First cast on that lure. We'll see it. Oh, right there. Oh yeah, fish on. There you go, boy. Oh, look at that. I'm telling you guys, that grub is really good.
Get up to the dock.
Oh yeah. No, I need to get it on camera. All right, let's go. Oh, look at this. This guy is a fighter. Woo! That's what I'm saying.
Oh, yeah.
Told you guys, my drag is set now. Woo! Look at that. Yeah, baby.
Ooh, sand bass.
Is this sand bass?
Sand bass.
This is not a...
Nope, there's no spots.
Oh, look at that. New species, guys. Look at that hook set. Yeah.
Oh, that's a bay bass.
Bay bass, right?
Yeah, nice
Spotty,
one.
spotty, spotty. Check on the bucket list. Yeah. Look at this, folks. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Whoo! Yeah. That looks like a sand bass. I thought I caught a sand bass on the pier, on a boat. All right, that's it, guys. That's it for today. We fished for about like 2 hours. So please comment down the section below if you guys have any suggestion on how to catch spotted bay bass, because obviously this is my first time and I don't know what I'm doing. And thanks to Cyrus for helping me out. Hope you like this video. If you like it, just hit that like button, subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Keep fishing out there. Be kind to one another. It's not just fishing. It's more than fishing.